Welcome to Product Critique. Today we're talking about the best cat litter mat you can get your hands on, the Petinstinct cat litter mat. If you're tired of sweeping up scattered litter every single day, this might be the game changer you've been looking for. The Petinstinct mat uses a clever double-layer honeycomb structure that actually works. The top layer has holes that trap clumping, crystal, or clay litter as your cat steps out of the box. The excess litter falls through into the bottom waterproof layer, keeping your floors clean and letting you easily pour the trapped litter right back into the box. It saves time, effort, and money by reducing wasted litter and daily mess. Cleaning this mat is incredibly simple. Unlike traditional mats that hang onto debris, the EVA material here resists sticking. Rinse it under the tap, clean it in the shower, or vacuum it for quick maintenance. It's built for convenience and easy daily care. Comfort and durability are also top tier. Made with extra thick 0.35-inch EVA foam, it's soft on your cat's paws yet tough enough to withstand scratching and playful behavior. It's free of harmful substances, giving you peace of mind about your pet's safety. One of its most important features is protection against urine accidents. The fully enclosed bottom layer is completely leak-proof, preventing any liquid from reaching your floors. It also has a non-slip base to keep it in place, even with energetic cats. This version measures 24 by 18 inches and comes in a bright pink color for a fun pop of style. If pink isn't your preference or you need a different size, Petinstinct offers various colors and dimensions to match your home decor. With thousands of positive ratings, it's clear this mat has earned its place as a favorite. What truly makes the Petinstinct cat litter mat the best on the market is its balance of practicality, durability, and thoughtful design. It's not trying to be fancy, it simply works extremely well. That wraps up today's review. If you're ready for a cleaner, mess-free home and a more convenient litter routine, the Petinstinct cat litter mat is a smart choice. Check the link in the description to learn more or grab one for your feline friend. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the bell for more helpful product insights. See you next time.